everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're making cannolis. I measured out all my ingredients and I recommend that you do so too. You can find a full list of ingredients and measurements in the link in the description. Remember to watch the video first so you can be prepared. First, I'm going to sift my powdered sugar. This is to make sure there are no clumps. If you don't have a sifter, you can use a wire whisk or a fork. When you're sifting, you can push the ingredients through using a rubber spatula or a spoon, or you can tap the sides of it with your hands. Now that my ingredients have all fallen through, I'm going to tap the sides of my sifter so I can make sure no ingredients are stuck to its stand. If your sifter doesn't have a stand, you don't need to do this step. Now I'm going to add in my ricotta to the powdered sugar. I'm going to stir this with my spoon to mix it in. Now that it's all mixed in, I'm going to add in my mini chocolate chips. I'm going to mix this until it's evenly mixed in. Next, I'm going to put the cannoli filling into my piping bag. First, I'm going to cut about an inch off of the point of the bag. Then, I put the piping bag into a jar to make it easier to fill, and I'm using my rubber spatula to put the filling into the bag. After I do that, I'm going to push the filling down into the point of the bag using my hands. I'm going to twirl the top of the bag and make it airtight, putting pressure on the filling to press it down so we can be able to make an even swirl. Now I'm going to fill the cannoli shells. To do this, I'm taking a cannoli shell and pressing down evenly on my piping bag so that the filling comes out until half the shell is fully filled before doing the same on the other side. And my cannolis are done and looking delicious. Please let me know what you thought of the video in the comments and how the recipe went for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you can see when new videos are added. Thank you and enjoy!